The first class itself, I was like, yes, this is the right decision that I have taken. There is no, going back. I'm Manvi Arora. I am a chartered accountant and a CPA, and I'm based out of New Delhi. So I did like a search on the internet for best coaching centers. Of course, Miles came up. Miles' name came up first. They are super responsive. The first class is taken by Varun, and Varun being such an amazing person. From Varun, and the first class, its experience was wonderful. I actually learned so much on the first day itself, and I was like so overwhelmed and so overcharged. Reading yourself or researching on Google will only give you half-baked knowledge, but understanding it from someone is altogether a different scenario. The Miles books is very concise. The mnemonics that Varun has prepared, they are so damn easy to remember. CPA matlab Miles.